Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off or mute the controller speaker on your PlayStation 5 controller. Now this is actually really easy to do. All you have to do is press the PlayStation button, then open up this quick menu and scroll on over to sound right here. Then if we have the TV HDMI selected, we can select this. We have the option for controller speaker. Now to simply turn this off, select the slider and then turn it all the way to the left. And this will turn off the speaker so you don't hear it anymore. So sometimes you will hear people talk through the speaker in voice chat, or there will be other sounds in the game that you can hear. But you can simply slide this to the left and just turn off the volume right here. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.